According to the state commandant of Amotekun, Adetunji Adeleye, the cows were seized in Ikare Akoko after destroying some farmlands and violating the anti-open grazing law of the state. Adeleye said it is no longer business as usual, as corporates will be mandated to pay the stipulated fine stated in the relevant provisions of the anti-grazing law.
The anti-grazing law has fully taken off in Ondo State, and we are going to enforce it to the letter. The cows were kept somewhere in the custody of Amotekun Corp in Ikare.
Members of the Miyetti Allah Cattle Breeders Association and the Hausa community in the state are in support of the government's action but pleaded for more time to educate their members.
Not the way it used to be before. So each and every one of them should be very, very careful not to destroy people's property again. Why? Because you are paying the owner of the farm, and now you are paying both sides. You pay the government the fine, and you pay the damages, and you can go to jail as well.
It's not business as usual for them. You can hear the chairman of Miyetti Allah, who said he's going to educate the members on the need for peaceful coexistence with farmers and the government.
Meanwhile, operatives of the Amotekun Corps in Ondo State say they are ready to ensure peace among all ethnic groups to enable them live in peace with each other.